In this video, we're going to show you 3 ways to check the battery life of your AirPods. You can check on your iPhone or iPad if your AirPods are still in their charging case. First, check that Bluetooth is turned on your iPhone or iPad by swiping up from the bottom and checking the Bluetooth symbol is blue. Hold your AirPods near to the paired device and open the case. A pop-up will appear at the bottom of the screen showing the battery life of the AirPods and their case. If you want to check the battery life while you're wearing the AirPods, you'll need to enable the battery widget on the widget page. Find the battery widget and click the green plus to enable the widget. You'll now see the battery percentage of your AirPods on your widget page. If your AirPods are paired with your Mac, you can view the battery life from the desktop. If you're wearing your AirPods, you'll be able to view the battery life on screen. Hover over your AirPods in the Bluetooth drop-down menu. You'll see the battery life displayed here. If you're not connected to any devices, you'll be able to get an approximate reading of the battery life by checking inside the case. If it's green here, the AirPods are over 50% charged. If it's amber, they're less than 50% charged.